English articles are a and the. We use them before nouns. So we have a noun, for example, apple, charger. Okay, these are nouns. We say an apple or the apple, and a charger or the charger. There is a difference between an apple and the apple, or a charger and the charger. But first, the difference between an and a is that both of them are for singular nouns. Singular nouns, one noun. For example, a pen, pens, one pen, a pen, two pens. We don't say a two pen, no. A is for one noun, singular noun. We use an for nouns that start with A, E, I, O, and U. For example, an apple, an email. I received an email. I received an email. With I, we can say ice cream. With O, we can say oat, cereal. With U, we can say umbrella. So, an apple, an email, an ice cream, an oat, an umbrella. A is for nouns that come with A, I, E, O, and U. Others we use a. For example, a charger, a pen. I have a pen. So this is the difference between a and an. So how about the?
We use the definite article, the, before a noun when we believe the listener or reader knows exactly what we are referring to. We use the also before nouns such as city names, systems, services, country names, etc.
A and an, they are indefinite articles. The is a definite article. For some nouns, we use definite articles, and for some nouns, we use indefinite articles. So look at this chart here. We have indefinite articles, definite articles, singular nouns, plural nouns. Singular nouns like apple. Plural nouns like apples. One apple, two apples. The indefinite articles for singular nouns is a or an. The definite article is the. For plural nouns, we don't use a or an. We say, for example, some or a few apples, some apples, or a lot of, etc., etc. So, what is the difference between an apple and the apple? So, look at here. We use indefinite articles a and an when we first introduce a noun. For example, I saw a boy on the street. This is the first time I'm using the noun boy. So this noun is its first time on the sentence. So I say I saw a boy. We use definite articles to talk about a known noun. What does it mean? The boy was on a bicycle. So the boy. Which boy? This boy. This was first time, and now we use it for the second time. For the second time and third time and fourth time and so on, we use the because we mean this boy, not another boy. When we say the, we mean the boy I saw on the street. The boy was on a bicycle. So on a bicycle. Why a bicycle? Because this is the first time I'm using the bicycle noun. On the next sentence, the bicycle was blue. Why did I say the bike? Because it is the second time. The bicycle, which bicycle? This bicycle. In here, the bicycle is being used for the first time. It is indefinite noun. In here, it's used for the second time. It is now a definite noun. It is known. Another example, a BMW passed by me. So, a BMW passed by me. This is the first time I'm saying the BMW. I use a. The BMW was blue. The BMW was blue. This is the second time. So, which BMW? This BMW. So, it is definite. It is known. The BMW that passed by me. So I use the BMW was blue. So to recap, whenever we use a noun for the first time, we use a or an. And the next times we use the.